patient is warded due to undergoing abdominal surgery, which is an appendectomy. During her hospital stay, she noticed that her nose is stuffy and that she has a lot of sputum in her lungs. She tried to cough, but her surgical wound caused pain to her. She complained to the nurse, and the nurse suggested to do the coughing exercise to clear her airway and reduce the pain whenever she coughed.
Assalamualaikum, Miss Haja.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss.
How are you feeling today?
I'm having trouble breathing and my lungs feel heavy. I think there is a lot of sputum in my lung. What can I do?
I see. Allow me to demonstrate the coughing exercise that can help you secrete out the mucus.
Can I do this exercise every day?
No, you don't have to do this exercise every day. You can just do it whenever your lungs feel stuffy. I hope you pay attention when I demonstrate it to you later.
Okay, I understand, Miss.
Okay. So first, you take a small breath and let the huff sound. Okay, do it 3 times. Okay, your turn. Okay, take a small breath and half sound. Okay. Alright. So now we need to let out the cough sound. So to do that, first you need to put the pillow in front of your chest to support your chest when you're coughing. So first you breathe in deeply and then let the cough out like this. Okay, and then you repeat it for 3 times. Okay, so try to do it and I will instruct you. Okay, so put the pillow in front of your chest and then breathe in deeply and then let out the cough. Alright, good. Second one. Okay, and then the last one. Alright, good.
Okay.
Ms. Haja's coughing exercises resulted in a significant amount of sputum and mucus being coughed out of her lungs. As a result, Ms. Haja is relieved and she can breathe normally.